In this short video I will show you how you can install OpenAI's Codex in Visual Studio Code. It's pretty simple to do and requires only a few steps and at the minimum a ChatGPT Plus account. Now the first thing you have to do is to open Visual Studio Code and then click on the extensions button. Then type Codex in the search box. And you will probably see several plugins called Codex, but the one you should choose is that of OpenAI. Now click on the install button and then the Trust Publisher and install if asked for. Now click on the Trust Workspace and install button if you know this workspace is trustworthy. And in my case the plugin was installed almost instantly. I just needed to authenticate against ChatGPT in the next step. Here I have a workspace I'm currently working in and I will now click on the Codex button that has appeared in the sidebar. Then I will ask to sign in with ChatGPT. And since I'm using my Google account to log in to ChatGPT, I click on the Login with Google button and you should choose your login type in this case. Now press continue here. And then we can close this page. In Studio Code the application is authenticated and we now only have to go over these introduction screens that tell us what we can do with Codex. Now we have arrived at the main prompt screen and we can ask Codex to do programming stuff. Well, now if I open a file I can see in the right top corner a little ChatGPT icon next to that of Claude Code. And if I do not have a file open it's not visible, so if you cannot see this then you'll have to open a file first. And I also want to make a small adjustment in the way Codex is shown, because by default it opens on the left side and I prefer to have it opened at the right side of my screen. Now to do that I have to click right on the Codex button and in the menu select Move To and then Secondary Sidebar. And from that moment on, when I'm opening a file and click on the Codex button top right, the Codex pane opens at the right side of the screen, just like what is usual with Claude Code and the cursor editing program. Now I hope you got some useful information from it and I hope you liked this short video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!